How to add Enter button in Android keyboard. Unfortunately, you can't directly add an Enter button to the standard Android keyboard. The keyboard layout is designed by the device manufacturer or the keyboard app developer, and it's not customizable in the way you're asking. However, you can achieve similar functionality in different ways. First, using the next or return key. Most Android keyboards have a next or return key that functions similarly to the enter key in many apps. This key often appears in the bottom right corner of the keyboard. Second, using a third-party keyboard. There are many alternative keyboards available on the Google Play Store that offer more customization options. The availability of the enter key and its function can vary depending on the app, the Android version, and the keyboard you are using. If you're having trouble finding the enter key or using it effectively, it is best to consult the app's help's documentation or search for specific instructions online for the app you are using.